Hello and welcome to my channel once again. It's me, Tina. I am here to show you what I ordered from AliExpress. I ordered a couple of things and I just wanted to show you what they are. So let me just put this aside. I don't know where this came out of. This must have been a freebie something. I think so. First of all, I have these little labels here. I think they said there was like 100 in here, and I love to use these. There's a couple of bigger ones here, but these little ones, I love to use them on little tags all the time. I use them all the time. And yeah, let me see if I have a tag here that I can show you that I put one on. Let's see, where are you, little tags? See, I have one here where I used like 3 or 4 of them. It just makes a tag stand out. You can use them on journaling cards or whatever you like. They have numbers, they have butterflies, and here you could add your own number too. Just, you know, gives you a whole array of options. And yeah, I can't wait till I start using those again. I think I've ordered like 3 or 4 of those already. So I'll just put that in here because I didn't even see that before. So that is that. Then this is a stamp that is, it's kind of like a splatter stamp. It's a smaller one, but that's okay. I thought it would be bigger, but I don't mind. This is okay. Little splatters. I think I'm going to use that a lot. If you want to know any of these links to anything, just let me know and I will try to get the links for you. Here is another stamp. This is a very sweet stamp. When all seems lost, God says, I have it. It matters to me, so it matters to God. Our fears cease when we feed our faith. When man says it can't be done, God says it can. Nothing is impossible with God. His mercies are new every morning. The best way to heal a broken heart is to give all the pieces to God. Weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning. That is a very, very, very special verse to me. Faith is not believing that God can, it's knowing that He will. Though the mountains may crumble, God's love never fails. When I am weak, He is strong. Be not afraid, God is with you. Where does my help come from? My help comes from God. And I love that. I love those. I could not leave that. Then I got these, not exactly sure. I think I'm going to use them as journaling cards in my like vintage books. But these are amazing. Like, I think there's 3 of each. Like, look at these ladies. Oh my goodness, they're so beautiful. And there's 3 of each, so you get lots. You don't have to hoard them. You can use one. You can put one away and give one to a friend. Look at that. There's so many. Yeah. I love them. Good housekeeping. They look like they're kind of like magazine covers. Absolutely beautiful. I love them. Good housekeeping. And then there's this one. This one I've seen somewhere before. I'm not sure where, but there's quite a few. It says 45 pieces. So, yeah. There's those. Then I have some fabric swatch, not swatches. They're a 12, I believe they're, let me just see. They are 10 by 10. That's how they are. I think they're 10 by 10. What are they? This one is 10. This one is, yes, 10 by 10. So I ordered these in 5. I think there's 5 packs. There's 5 in each one. Let's see. This is the right side. So there was that one, this one, and that. No, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there's 5. So there's one more here. So these are the colors. Aren't they beautiful? And then that's the red. Here's the blue. So I'll try to do that with these. So there's the blue. And here's it's got blue flowers. And then these have little dots. And that one, it's a dark blue. Oh, look at these pretty flowers. Oh, that one, the red one I showed you already. I'm like, oh, there's more red. Yes, there's more red because I put it under there. Here is brown. And there's this one. Isn't this pretty? I love it. There's the polka dot. Then there's the flowers. And there's these ones. And these. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh, I love them. I love them, love them, love them. Then there's this one. This one is like roses, I would say. Or flower. It's a floral one anyway. Let me see if I can open them up. There's this one. Beautiful. And then there's this one. Oh, this is like a peach color. Pink. Bright pink. Blue. And another blue. Oh, I love these. I can't wait till I start playing with these. And then this is one that... Why have I not opened it? I don't know. So let's open this one. And it is brown. And those flowers are brown. Here's like the alphabet. Oh, look at this. I love that. And then this one, it's got purple and green and blue. Beautiful. And I think all of these, I don't remember how much they were, but I can link those for you. Now, this was from a different seller. This was a bit more expensive. I'm not sure what I paid, but I know these were more expensive. It's better quality material. And then they sent me this little sewing pack here. It's got a needle, a couple of buttons, and thread, and a little pin there. So I will show you this one. Oh, isn't it gorgeous? I just love it. And these are bigger pieces. So these are larger. These are enough to do a whole journal cover plus more. And I'm planning on making a rose journal. Look at that. Oh, just love it. And you can tell the quality is very nice. It feels like a nice material. I have not washed these. I don't think I'm going to because it's going to be for a journal, so they don't need to be washed. And look at this one. It's got the smaller roses. Oh, I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then this one. They're all my favorite. Oh, I just love them. Look at that. Just absolutely beautiful. And then this is the last one with a floral. This reminds me of pillowcases that my mom made us. I remember having pillowcases like with these kind of roses. I love that. And then this has little, what do you call this again? Gingham? No, not gingham. I don't know. Anyway, it's very pretty. This would be a beautiful journal cover too. And then this is the last one. I'm not sure how many pieces. I think they were in a kit, yes. And there's, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there was 8 pieces of this. And yes, I just love them. I love them. And let me know if you're interested in any of them, then I will get you the link and you can get you some too. So that is my AliExpress haul. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless you all. We'll see you soon. Bye.